Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to connect Pixelverse to OKX. So make sure to stick around to the end to get all the steps. Now we're going to open our Telegram, and then right here we're going to look for our Pixelverse. So here we have our Pixel tab by Pixelverse. We're going to select Launch Bot. In order to connect it, we need to go to the top where we have an icon here like a wallet. However, for me, this is the Binance icon because we already have the Binance connected to it. So I'm going to tap on it. Now, if you don't have any wallet connected to it, this is going to be showing you a wallet icon. But if you have another wallet connected to it, you're going to have an icon different from this. So we're going to tap on the Binance icon. As you can see here, my Binance is connected to it, and we want to connect OKX. So we're going to click on Connect New Wallet. Now we have OKX and OKX Wallet. We're going to select OKX. And then it says, do you have an OKX account? We're going to say yes. Yes, we do. And then here, it requires you to write down your USDT ERC20 wallet address. So we're going to go over to OKX to copy our USDT ERC20 address. Here in OKX, we're going to select Deposit Crypto and select USDT. So we have USDT here in the search history. If you don't have it, you could search for it or keep scrolling down to the bottom. So we're going to select USDT. The network is USDT ERC20, the first one here, so we're going to select it. This brings a QR code and the alphanumeric address. So we're going to copy this alphanumeric address, which is the best way to do it. So we're going to go over to our Pixelverse, and we're going to paste it here in our Pixelverse. As you can see, it's ready from our clipboard, so we're going to tap on it, and then you're going to click Made It. As you can see, your wallet is connected. Gotcha. So we're going to tap on that. And now we've connected our OKX wallet successfully. As you can see, Binance currently is the main network. You could do this for your OKX by tapping on it. Say, we're going to tap on OKX and then set as main wallet. Now you can see it's the main wallet. Now when we close this, the OKX sign shows that that's the main wallet. So this is how to connect your Pixelverse to OKX.